Hi guys, uh, this is Swiss. Good afternoon. The time is almost like 1:12:57 in New York, Wednesday, March 22nd. Today is a fair day, and fair we're going to talk today. So, just a quick heads up. Most people they don't trade on Fed day, but trading is risky. Again, I'm not a financial advisor or a broker for you to give that advice. Okay, so please, whatever I said in this video is for the education purpose only. Trading is risky. Cryptos, bond, futures, options, stocks, you name it. They are very, very liquidated and they are very, very risky. You can lose all your money. So that was just a disclaimer for you guys. So if you follow my advice, you're probably going to make money, no doubt about it. You guys been seeing me that I am making money every day. So far, touch wood, so far I'm making money. So yes, again, very, very light volume though. Very, very light volume. It's not moving that much. Something which is not moving that much, I don't like it. Tesla kind of looking good. See, the Teslas, the shares are like someone is trading very, very large. 1,500 shares, 2,500. But very, very light volume. That's what I can say. Very, very light volume today. I was just checking. S&P 500 is already down a little bit, a dollar down basically. It doesn't make any sense. So they're waiting for the Fed to speak up basically. And yes, again, if you're trading today, I don't feel like to trade today because of that reason. I don't really care what the Fed says, what the Fed does, cut the interest rate or increase the interest rate or won't change the interest rate. So I have the other day I don't know whether I told you guys or someone called me and asked me what is this. It's a block trade, guys. It's like a block trade which is going on the exchange privately. So these are the trades which got getting filled right now. So let's just check Google. You see, Google got filled 500. Somebody bought a lot of shares. 105. What is Google's running? 105 what? Hold on, let me just check. That's the price. 105.38. Right over there, guys. So somebody just bought a big chunk of it or they sold big chunk of it. We don't know that part because let's see what the Google is doing, so then only we'll come to know. So yes, what I'm trying to say, these are the block trades. So I do put them over here. When you subscribe to the Lightspeed, you do get this dark pool orders. So yes, but if you know how to use them on your advantage, great. Otherwise it's useless for you. That's what I can say. All right, so yeah, and let's just check this is a 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart. Check S&P 500. It's kind of sliding down slowly, which I don't like it. You guys, I hope you guys saw enough videos. I don't like the slide because like slowly killing you. And I'm like more into like a bullish side too. Most of the time I'm making money on the bullish side. I'm making money on the put side as well, but mostly I'm making money on the bullish. So again, whatever I say in this video is my suggestions. You don't need to take them so I have ordered the Verizon box because someone came to my apartment side and somebody told me they have a new high-speed internet which is 1000 megabytes per second. I said that's great. 5G, and guess what, guys, you won't even believe it. It doesn't even make 5G. Doesn't even make the 4G is like LTE and doesn't even have a speed. The T-Mobile internet was far more better. So I have to send the box back basically. Today I was a little bit excited because of like 1,000 megabytes per second, $80. That's how much they were charging me for the internet. But guess what? It's not good. It's not making whatever they said because the tower is a little bit way too far. It's kind of sliding down, guys. No doubt, it's kind of sliding down. So looks like the volume just kicked in. Looks like the volume has just kicked in. So probably let's just check something. Maybe the if I started talking, I don't know. Chirpao. Around 2:30. Schedule at 2:30. So just skip this. But I really don't care, guys. You know what the Fed does, I have really don't care what the Fed is doing. If he cut the interest rate into half or whatever he does, like if he increase the interest rate or if he pause on the interest rate, I'm pretty much sure he's gonna pause on the interest rate right now. He's gonna say like, I'm a data driven Fed, I need to see more data, this, that. So banks are failing. Anyway, banks are failing, so he just cannot increase the interest rate at this moment in time. Because if I was a Fed also, I won't do it. I want to see how this is going to play out very carefully. So far the banks are failing because of their bonds were like collapsing. They are like going into they are losing money. That's the reason. The bank in California lost like 15%, but still it's still nothing for the bank, I feel. So but he might come and say like, let's just raise 25 basis, but I don't think so that will going to happen. But hey, who knows? I don't know that part, what's going in his on his circle basically. But I'm pretty much sure they're not going to do it. They have to put some pause on it right now. Whatever they are holding, they're going to say like, let's just check. And the economy is good. They might even if they increase 25 basis point, it's still fine because our economy can still take it. So but if it doesn't, but I don't think so. He should increase the interest rate at this point. Okay, hey, that's just my suggestion. Okay, but I don't know whether he gonna do it. So yes, Tesla is going a little bit up crazy with the puts, I guess. So the volume had just kicked in, guys. The volume had just kicked in, and I am not feeling that confidence today. That's what I can say. I'm not feeling that much of confidence today. So let me. I added some simple moving averages just to make it this for you guys. Like I don't need them. You guys saw me. I don't need them. You know, I really don't care about those moving averages, but they're looking good. I really don't care about them, but it helps sometime, but not really. I don't. You guys saw me all my videos. Like there's no moving average at all. You know. So basically, a lot of people they think like moving averages help them. That's the reason. But I can delete them. I don't need them. Basically, what you really need to know is where the sellers and where the buyers. That's what you need to know. That is the more important part. If you guys can spot those guys, where the sellers and buyers, then you can beat this game. Otherwise, you cannot beat the game. It's very, very important for you to learn that part. Where are the sellers and where are the buyers? Oh, what happened to my charging? Just give me a minute, guys. Okay. Yeah, something got in right now. The volume has just kicked up. Let's just trade Tesla, guys. Let's check Tesla. The options are not moving, guys. The options are not moving that good. This is the high volume, little bit, not that much. Slide again. I don't like the slide. It's slowly moving to the downside. This is going to jump up, no doubt. When the Fed is ready to talk, it's going to jump up. But this thing is like slowly coming down, which I don't like it. Right now it's like accumulating on the downside. That's what I can say. Let's see how this is playing out. Looking good to me. Alright guys, I'm buying the dip for that one. Hold on, not yet. Let's just check. The candle is about to close. That can turn into an ugly side very, very quickly. Okay, I'm buying it now. Okay, I'm buying it. It came up very, very fast, powerful. 50 options, guys. Buying more, 60. Buying more, guys. 70 options. It's not moving that much. It's not moving that much. $75, holding 75. Sorry. Holding 75. It's not moving that much. God, no. Can I go down right now? Holding more. 90 options, guys. At $14. The options are not moving that much. This should take off, otherwise it's going to break down. Sold. 185. Guys, that option is not moving that much. So you see, stock is moving, but the option is not moving at all, which is not good. Which is not good at all. So I don't like it. If the option is not moving and the stock is moving, that the option is not moving, I don't like to trade that, because that will gonna put me into negative side. No, very, very important for me to know whether the option is moving or not. Okay, so very, very important. Again, if the options are not moving, I don't like to trade. I don't want to put my money in risk. That's what it is. Because it's my own money. I care about it. So, and it's not moving. No. So, hell no. I don't like to do it. If something is not moving, I don't like to do it. I want the S&P. If the S&P is going up and the options are moving according to the S&P, it's more likely I will go and make crazy money. That's what I can say. I need a volume, and I'm all about the volume. I like volume. If there's no low volume and all, I'm going to lose money because those options they are melting up very fast. So even if the stock is going up and the options are still not moving, that means guess what? The moment the stock move downwards, those options are going to lose fast value. No, at one point I hold so many options. Let's just check. 180 share was traded altogether. So no, again, no, I don't like to trade today. Today is a fat day anyway. We're going to talk in around like what time? Probably yes, 71 minutes still 2:30. Uh, so March 22nd, guys. Please be careful. I don't like to trade today, and let's see. There's less volume. Let's trade for tomorrow. That's always a day. I always say this: if you lose money, or if you don't feel good, you should never take a trade. No trade is a good trade. Seriously, I say this every time. No trade is a good trade. So, and the volume is a little bit low for me to trade. So, no. I would love to trade, but I don't like to lose my money. I don't want to give it a donation to the market because once you give a donation to the market, it becomes very, very difficult for you to come back up. So, no. These things are looking good, but they're not moving. So, no. Option market is not moving that much. So, yes. No trade is a good trade, guys. Trust me, no trade is a good trade. So, yes, well, not gonna trade. That it was my lucky bet, but it did not move because it did not move. That means I don't want to trade. I don't want to. I want to set up the game which is easy for me to win, not the other guys. It's easy for the stock market to win. No, I don't want to do that. I want to make sure that game is easy for me to win. I like to play that game. So, be be very, very careful with your own money. So remember, once you give this donation, it's not coming back, and you don't want to give it also. So anyway, guys, I'm going to close my session. Anyway, the Fed will about to talk, and like I said, I don't care what the Fed says. If he increase the 25 basis point, I don't think so. It will be he's going to move to 50 basis point. And at this moment in time, I'm pretty much sure he's going to pause on the interest rate. He wants to see more data before he does that. But if he does 25 basis point, our economy can still take it. And remember one thing, he doesn't want the banks to fail. If the banks fail, that means the US is the one who has the biggest GDP in the world. So if the dollar is the one who's like running everything. So if the dollar fails and the banks fail, that means it's going to get a big crack in the economy. So I don't think so. They will going to do that. They will going to bail out the banks anyway, in order to save the economy and every downside of it. But they will go and blame someone. Someone is getting blamed over here, no doubt. The Republican, Democrat, Russia, Putin, Ukraine, the oil. They will go and blame someone. They just need some type of excuse to blame. That's what it is. And they'll try to. They are trying to put a bandage on it right now, no doubt, on the banking industry. That's what I can say. They're putting a bandage on it. So let's see what he have to say. But but I really don't care what he says. If he increase, it doesn't do anything to me because I'm a day trader. I get in, get out, less than a minute. You guys saw that. So far I'm up $185, but I don't want to trade again. Be careful if you're trading. In if you're losing, please stop. And please stop and rethink again, because there's always the next day to trade. So do not get into that FOMO, and do not get into that emotion side of it, saying I'm going to beat the market. When you're doing something wrong, you're already losing. That means you need to study the market very well. That's what I can say. Or if you have question, please feel free to email me, Swiss capital gain at gmail.com. Please feel free to email me. If I can help you, I'm going to help you, of course. Why not? You scratch my back, I scratch your back. So yes, if you're trading, be very, very careful. Please, guys, subscribe and share my video to your friends and family. And I really appreciate who are already subscribing. I really, really appreciate. Thank you very much for your support and your love. I have seen the other day, there are like 5,000 views already on my channel. Really, it really helps the channel to grow. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate your help. I really appreciate all the things you guys are doing to me. Some people are sharing it on the Facebook and all, liking it, sharing it. So yes, thank you very much, guys. Seriously, I really appreciate those things because it means a lot to me. It means a lot to me because it helps me to grow my YouTube channel. That's what it is. Okay, I don't care if you dislike my channel also. If you do whatever you guys want to do, even if you didn't like something, you can hit that dislike button also. It's still fine because it does help anyway. Yeah, please comment below, let me know if you guys traded today. Okay, and again, thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much. I really humbly appreciate that you guys are supporting me. Thank you very, very much. Thank you, guys. And I'm going to close this video right now because, like I said, the volume is not good. Today is not a game for me. So yes. All right, bye guys. Stay blessed, stay peace. Bye. Thank you.